Hey everyone, welcome to another Hyundai showroom walkaround. I'm Gian, your host and product specialist, and today we're checking out the 2021 Palisade. Now, since its debut, the Palisade has made quite the name for itself in the category of 3-row, 7 and 8 passenger SUVs. Its design, tech, comfort, and of course safety make this a favorite for families of all sizes. But Palisade's new calligraphy trim here, with a dazzling array of upgrades and design enhancements, take over as our flagship Palisade. So what was already a refined, stylish SUV has really moved into full-on luxury territory. Let's check out what they've done. Now, aside from that strong, confident SUV stance that all Palisade models share, what you're going to notice is the unique grille design that really sets the tone for an elegant yet bold look. And up front, enhancing the elegance of the calligraphy, we can see that right there in the lower fascia with the streamlined premium finish. Now we also have our unique LED daytime running lights with a vertical design that runs along the hood, giving it its own unique presence on the road. Our bi-LED headlamp design, giving you even more increased visibility while on the road. Our sporty 20-inch alloy wheels. Now these are exclusive to the calligraphy trim. We also have our body color side wheel arches. I love the look in the design right here. Once again, really enhances the sportiness of an elegant vehicle. As we keep moving along, we're going to see our body color side mirrors with the enlarged turn signal indicators. Now this enhances the visibility for others on the road to know when you're signaling to turn. The premium door sill finish. So as you're stepping in the Palisade, you can recognize that elegance as you enter. To enhance the silhouette and profile of calligraphy, we have our roof side rails up above. And in the rear, the wide, high-mounted rear center brake light, as well as the unique vertically stacked LED tail lights, the beautiful rear accent lighting, and to really highlight the rear of calligraphy, you can notice that in the streamlined premium rear diffuser. And down below, you're gonna have your dual single-tip exhaust to really highlight the sportiness of calligraphy. Now, as good as Palisade is making a vehicle of this size look sporty, refined, and balanced from the outside, it's the interior that will really have you saying, wow. Everything in here is meant to feel high-end, quite literally, starting with these materials: premium Nappa leather seating, quilted leather door panels, microfiber suede headliner, and a perforated leather steering wheel that's heated. But your attention is easily drawn to materials of a different nature. Big digital screens, 2 of them in fact, nicely housed in one seamless panel, helping the dashboard keep its nice, sleek design. A 12.3-inch full digital instrument cluster, which changes colors with the different drive mode selects. A 10.25-inch touchscreen with navigation, which can be accessed via voice recognition. And a full-color heads-up display, allowing you to get all your important information in your eye line of sight, such as turn-by-turn navigation and lane safety info. Of course, comfort and space are also top priorities for the Palisade interior. A second-row bench seat is available in other Palisade models, which will seat up to 8 people. While the calligraphy is going to give you room for 7, featuring second-row captain's chairs. And what a comfortable seat it is. Both captain's chairs are heated and ventilated. And up front, to increase the comfort of the ride, both seats are heated and ventilated, along with 8-way power adjustable seats. And the driver is going to get the additional power thigh support, as well as the 4-way lumbar support. Now up above, we have our wide dual sunroof that really adds to the expansiveness of the vehicle. And then the back, 3rd-row seating for up to 3. Now, you might have some cargo, maybe a lot of cargo coming along with you on your adventures, and your hands might be full carrying it. That's why this next feature is so useful. Hands-free smart liftgate with auto open. Now, this is height and speed adjustable. Now, as we move into the cargo area, what you're going to notice is the luxurious touches throughout, including the power folding, unfolding, and reclining 3rd-row seats. The captain's chairs also fold down, allowing you the capabilities of storing even more cargo. And once you're ready to hit the road, Palisade has the capabilities and power that you're looking for. Now, standard on the Calligraphy is our H-track all-wheel drive, which includes a snow mode, downhill brake control, and all-wheel drive lock. Capabilities of towing up to 5,000 pounds, pre-wired for 7-pin trailer connectors, and has a heavy-duty cooler for transmission oil. It also comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission with Shiftronic. Performance with that 3.8-liter V6 GDI engine, putting out 291 horsepower, 262 pounds of torque, and MPG coming in at 22 combined. Perhaps what Palisade does best, though, when it comes to performing, is keeping you and your passengers safe. It's equipped with Hyundai SmartSense, a range of cameras and sensors that act like an extra set of eyes for you. And Palisade is loaded with them. Up front, you have your forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection. Highway drive assist, which combines smart cruise control with stop-go and lane following assist. High beam assist. And for those parents out there, you're really going to love these next two safety features. Safe exit assist, as well as rear occupant alert. Now in the rear, we have our blind spot collision avoidance assist along with rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. But the Palisade safety story isn't complete without showing drivers how they experience this advanced technology. When you use the turn signal, cameras on the side view mirror show you the blind spot view monitor. Right there for a quick glance on the instrument cluster, so your eyes can stay forward, remaining alert to what's ahead. And when you're in reverse, you'll be able to see everything around the vehicle with the surround view monitor, which is positioned right next to the rear view camera on the large touchscreen. It's not just about the driver, however. Palisade takes care of all the passengers when it comes to technology and infotainment. It comes equipped with Harman Kardon premium audio system with 12 speakers, Quantum Logic surround sound, and Clarify music restoration technology. Driver talk, an in-car intercom between driver and the third row, allowing for ease of communication throughout the cabin. USB outlets can be found in the first, second, and third rows. And it comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a way to seamlessly integrate all your compatible apps from your cell phone to your touchscreen. Multiple device connections, allowing you to switch between 2 devices connected with Palisade. Wireless device charging, so you can leave your cords at home. And my favorite, Hyundai BlueLink, which is Hyundai's connected car service, which is complimentary for 3 years and has such features as remote start with climate control. And of course, because it's a Hyundai, each Palisade is backed by America's best warranty, which includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, and a 5-year, unlimited miles, 24-hour roadside assistance, so you and your family can have peace of mind while on the road. You also have 3 years complimentary maintenance, which include oil changes, tire rotations, and your multi-point inspection. Now, Hyundai also produces their own advanced high-strength steel, which is stronger and lighter, increasing performance and safety. It's exciting when an SUV with this kind of space and seating capacity also gives you so much advanced safety and technology to both protect everyone on board and really make them comfortable. That's the real essence of Palisade. And the Calligraphy trim is certainly all that, but with upgrades like standard all-wheel drive, materials like quilted leather, design touches, the sporty wheels being my favorite, there's no doubt that the Calligraphy trim takes its place as our most premium Palisade.